Okay, so here we have my Kahoot game, all set up, ready to play. I believe that you can see my questions and the link to the actual game. So I'm just gonna show the playing of it in this video. So here I'm gonna start it, and I have it hooked up to my phone, so we can do it like that. All right. So I know that this answer is Holstein. Yep, which was correct. And then I can go on to the next here and go through all of these questions that I have. Here we go. So then I can just go through all the questions like that. I have a deck of 5 questions, so it should be pretty fun and engaging for my students. All right, thanks.